Hi, fifth graders, and welcome to week 4 of remote learning. In math this week, you are going to be completing a series of task cards on these slides that review both area and volume. Before we get started looking at the task cards, I want to point out two very important pieces of information for you. One, super important, you are going to be required to show your work for this assignment. So please make sure that you are completing all of your problems on scrap paper. You're going to need to keep that scrap paper until you are finished with the assignment to take a picture to insert into the end of the slides. I will show you how to do this at the end of the video. The second thing I want to point out is that the first two slides are going to review the area of rectangles and the volume of rectangular prisms. There is a review for you to read through with the formula of area of rectangles as well as the volume of rectangular prisms, and there is a video for you to watch as well. So you're going to make sure that you read through each of the two slides and watch the review video before you get started with your task cards. You want to make sure that you complete the problems on each of the slides that review area and volume. You want to make sure that you are keeping track of them on your scrap paper, making sure that you number each one so that if you need to go back and find something, you can do that pretty quickly. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to take a picture of your scrap paper to share with your math teacher. You're going to go through each of the slides, and on each of the slides there is a formula for area at the top, and there's also both of the formulas we've been using to find volume. You are going to use all of these as you move through each of the task cards, so you need to decide which formula is appropriate for each task card that you solve. After you've solved it, you want to make sure that the answer that you calculated matches one of the answers on the task card. If it doesn't, you're going to go back and try the problem again. When you have solved it, you're going to double click on the yellow box and answer A, B, C, or D in the yellow box. You're going to move through each of the task cards, and at the end, this is where you're going to need that scrap paper. So there's many different ways that you can insert a picture of your scrap paper. I'm going to show you the way that I use. You may have another way that you use that works just fine. Okay? So what I have done is I have taken a picture of my scrap paper on my cell phone, and I have emailed that picture to my BridgeRain email. So you're going to take a picture, send it to your email. You're going to go into your email, find the picture. Here's mine. Obviously mine's blank. Haven't started my work yet. And you are going to download it. Go back in. You're going to delete this line because that's where your picture is going to go. You're going to go up to Insert Image, Upload from Computer, and mine goes to Downloads. Yours may automatically go to your desktop or somewhere else. And I'm going to click on the image from today. And there it is. I'm going to pull on these corners to adjust it so that it fits a little bit better. You are more than likely going to have multiple pages of work, so obviously you would need to take a few, or however many pages you have, you would take a picture of all of your work and do the same thing to insert those pages. Okay? So have fun, work hard, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your math teacher. Good luck, fifth graders.